Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can keep or lock your aspect ratio for your shapes and text boxes you add to your design in Figma. So let us get started. Now doing this is actually very simple guys, and locking your aspect ratio may for example help you keep your intended proportions, for example for a specific shape or text box. So just for the sake of this tutorial guys, let me show you how you can do that and demonstrate it. So let us begin with a simple shape. Click into that shape tool at the bottom and select a rectangle, or I don't know, you may also select a polygon if you like, or a star. I will go for a simple rectangle. Let me draw it here at the bottom of my canvas with my left mouse, just like that. So if I, for example, guys, create a rectangle like this with a resolution and aspect ratio like that, it will look like that. So if you'd like to resize it later and keep these aspect ratios with these proportions, that height and that width, but change the resolution overall and resize that shape, guys, you may do that of course by hand if you left click into the given shapes corner. But if you do it with your hand, guys, you will see that you may accidentally disrupt the aspect ratio or change it. So if you'd like to keep the aspect ratio but still resize your shape, guys, you will need to do the following. Select your shape or text box, and here in the customization panel to the right, head over to layout here. And on the very right hand side, there's that small icon, lock aspect ratio. So click into it. If it's enabled, guys, it will turn blue, as you can see. So now you can again click into one of the given shapes corners, and now the aspect ratio will be maintained, as you can see, with all its proportions. And you can't accidentally for example, change these aspect ratios. That's how we do it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.